On August 10, 2026, a powerful earthquake struck western Colombia. The earthquake measured magnitude 7.4. The powerful shaking was felt across a wide area of western Colombia. Reports of damage came from cities including Cali, Pereira, Quibdó, and Manizales.
Buildings and homes were damaged, leaving many families facing a dangerous situation.
Rescue teams quickly moved into affected communities to search damaged buildings and help survivors. After a major earthquake, emergency teams quickly begin response and rescue operations. The disaster affected communities across a wide region, putting thousands of people in need of assistance. Rescue workers searched damaged buildings, while emergency crews helped people in danger. Thousands of homes and buildings were damaged, creating a major recovery challenge. Latest reports put the reported death toll ports 329. Another 4,600 people were reported injured disaster. Authorities also reported 247 people still missing. Rescue teams have also managed to save hundreds of people from dangerous areas. More than 314,000 people were affected across Colombia. More than 154,000 families were affected by the disaster. The impact spread across hundreds of municipalities and multiple departments. Major earthquakes can also damage roads, bridges, buildings, and after a major earthquake, engineers carefully inspect buildings to determine their structural safety. Preliminary estimates put the total economic impact around $9.6 billion. About 24.5 trillion pesos was estimated for building-related losses. Another 5.5 trillion pesos was estimated for infrastructure losses. More than 31,000 homes were reported completely destroyed. Another 171,000 homes were reported damaged. Together, the figures show the enormous scale of the housing crisis. For affected families, the damage meant losing homes, belongings, and a sense of security. This simulation, temporary shelters became essential as families waited for safer housing and assistance. Recovery will require rebuilding homes, repairing infrastructure, and restoring essential services. Engineers must assess damaged infrastructure before major reconstruction can safely begin. The financial recovery will take significant resources and careful long-term planning. This systematic process begins with damage assessment, but community support will remain essential while families rebuild their lives and recover. Reconstruction plans must prioritize homes, transportation, and essential public services. Restoring roads, bridges, and utilities will be another major part of the recovery. Recovery is not only about rebuilding structures. It is also about restoring entire communities. Medical teams also face the challenge of caring for thousands of people who were injured. Modern rescue technology can help teams search dangerous structures more safely and efficiently. Search efforts also continued for the 247 people still reported missing. Search efforts coordinating rescue teams, medical crews, and supplies is critical during a large-scale emergency. Relief supplies must be organized and delivered efficiently to families who need them most. This ensures a continuous flow of. For families who lost their homes, rebuilding safe housing will be one of the biggest priorities. Recovery will take time, coordination, funding, and sustained support from many different teams.
Events like this also highlight why earthquake preparedness and emergency planning are so important.
Knowing where to shelter and how to evacuate can save valuable time during an earthquake. Experts recommend keeping essential supplies ready before an earthquake happens. Families should also know their evacuation routes and choose a safe meeting place. Recovery is a long process, but rebuilding can bring communities back stronger and safer. The earthquake left a major human and economic impact, while recovery continues across affected communities. For those affected, the road ahead is long, but rebuilding and recovery have already begun. Long-term recovery will depend on rebuilding homes and restoring essential services. The earthquake's impact can be measured in lives, injuries, damaged homes, and economic losses. From the first response to rebuilding, recovery happens through several critical stages. Community cooperation becomes especially important when families face stronger construction and better building standards can reduce future earthquake risks. Implementing advanced material preparedness, rapid response, and careful reconstruction can make communities more resilient. Scientists continue monitoring seismic activity to better understand earthquake hazards and improve preparedness. Early warning technology can provide valuable seconds for people to take protective action. Early warning can save time. Investing in stronger infrastructure can help reduce damage when future earthquakes occur. The reported figures show the enormous human and economic scale of the disaster. For the communities affected, recovery will remain a long journey, requiring patience, support, and rebuilding. Colombia now faces the difficult task of rebuilding, recovering, and preparing for the future.